Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. You lucky dogs are getting a twofer today. We have some late night deals to go with our daylight deals, and this time we're in the Struggleville kitchen cooking up some hot deals. I'll have a single link down below to all of our kitchen deals here, and this is a little secret most of you don't know about me. I am practically a master chef, okay? I'm like 2 credits away from certification and getting a free set of them Ginsu knives, you know what I mean? That's how close it is. Frozen pizza, I can cook the shit out of that pizza. You need a grilled cheese? You're gonna have to make it yourself, but I can make myself a mean grilled cheese. Never tried it, but I think I could even come up with some macaroni and cheese. So that makes me perfectly qualified to share with you these amazing kitchen deals. So without further ado, first up we have the Pro Chef knife. 8-inch Japanese. That's a selling point there. Everyone knows Japanese got the best blades. Looking at you, samurai warriors. Now this is normally $32.99, but we have a 61% promo code, and that goes through July 10th. So super cheap. By the way, I believe every single one of these deals has a text link right here that you can click, so that'll apply the promo code to your account. But also, most of them have other similar options. Like I think there was 7 or 8 different knives you could choose from here, and one of them was even a knife set. So if you see something you're mildly interested in, maybe there's a variation that you like just a little bit better. Sticking with the Asian theme for a minute. Am I allowed to say that? Is that not politically correct enough? We went from Japanese to rice. I think it's okay. We have the Cozy Zone large sealed grain container, storage with measuring cup. Very important to have the measuring cup. Rice container for dry food. $49.99. Look how many reviews this thing has. Almost 5,000 reviews. They're selling a lot of these things. $49.99. We have a 20% promo code on that going through the 13th. That came in 2 different colors. This is one thing I think I'm going to pick up for myself because it seems like it would be very useful. We have the silicone kitchen stove gap covers, kitchen counter gap, anti-slip, non-tacky filler seals. So this is really cheap too. It starts out at $10. You're getting 2 of them, obviously. 50% off. I think it either came with a white or a clear to go with it. That goes through the 10th as well. So you're only going to pay $4.99, but I have a little mini countertop. It's only 12 inches wide between my stove and actually the fridge is on the other side. And there's like gappage. There's a little bit of gappage. And things fall down, crumbs fall down. It's always dirty there on the floor between the two. You got to pull stuff out to clean. I need a little coverage there, you know what I mean? You need a little bit more coverage. It kind of reminds me of do you remember the drop stop? It was a thing that went over your seatbelt receiver end, and it was a foam squishy thing that would go between your seat and the center console, so change and fries and whatever else wouldn't fall down. This is like the kitchen version of the drop stop. Now here's another item that has been really popular this year. Seen tons of discounts, promo codes for these. I bought a 2-pack, different brand, but boy do they look a hell very similar, very similar. And I actually put them in my bathroom vanity for, knick-knack bathroom type stuff. But we have the under sink organizers, storage. This is a 2-pack, large capacity. Gets a pull-out drawer at the bottom there. And then, at least for mine, this cup stuff was a little modular. You could put it anywhere along the rim that you wanted. But these start out at $35.99. That's too much, but we have a 40% promo code on those. Another item that I have a very similar variation, 3-pack kitchen towel hooks, self-adhesive towel holders for the kitchen, wall mounted. So this is the 3-pack. It came in different colors. Starts out at $11.99, 50% off. Going to be $5.99. Now I have a round ones, and they were a 2-pack. First time I ever saw these on an episode of Roseanne. Well, actually several episodes, because they have these in their kitchen. Next time you're watching, it's the good old episodes, not the woke bullshit new episodes, the Connors. No, you gotta go to the old stuff, the good ones, okay? They had those in their kitchen, right by the sink, on either side of the sink, or at least to the left of the sink. Now, the ones I bought are similar to these in the fact that there's a peel and stick on the back. You peel it and you stick it on. For me, that peel and stick only lasted a couple of weeks and then it fell off, so I put a screw right through the middle, right at the target. And that's worked beautifully. Beautifully. I liked them. Now here we got a thermometer for your meat. You always want to know what temperature your meat is. That's got to be the brand name, right? That's got to be the brand name. Bison. Bison. Hopefully not. Wireless instant read meat thermometer. Waterproof backlight. Ultra fast, accurate, 180 degree fold away probe. A lot of reviews on this one as well. Started out at $13.58. We have I don't think it started out at $13.58 actually, because that doesn't sound right at all. Go to the link. The link here will bring you to the right price. It's going to be 50% off with that promo code, and then it's going to be 26% off coupon on top of that. So either there are multiple sellers and someone had it at the cheaper price, or there's been a price update. In any event, you're taking 76% off, and I think it was under $10. It was like $8 or something when all was said and done. Now here we have the kitchen sink faucet with pull-down sprayer. This one is $56.99, but a 40% promo code. I have one that's pretty similar. I also bought it on Amazon because I buy just about everything on Amazon. Now it shows the handle thing kind of to the right. And that's how I did mine at first, but it would kind of hit the backsplash thing on the countertop. And I wasn't a big fan of that, so I turned mine so it's directly in the front, and I just know left is hot, right is cold. And I feel like it works better that way, although it doesn't seem like it's supposed to be that way. But who cares? I'm the one using the sink. How about I do what works for me? You know what I mean? But I really like the pull-out thing. If you've never seen one of these, there's like a counterweight down below that pulls it back in. And they're pretty damn useful, and it's nicer to have it all integrated here than having a separate sprayer. I've had mine for maybe a year, 2 years. Works beautifully. And a lot cheaper than if you went to the store and tried getting one of these, over $100. Easy. Damn things are expensive. Here we go. This only got posted for one reason. Two reasons, really. Kitchen paper towel holder. Sunflower paper towel holder. Countertop paper towel roll holder. With the American flags. Again, Independence Day tomorrow. Happy Independence Day, fellas. Now this did have several different options. Starts out at $20.99. We have a 35% promo code. Again, there's like 6 different things to choose from there. And then a 15% coupon, so we're cutting the price in half. You're paying $10. Hold all the paper towels. This one had a million variations as well. Stainless steel kitchen utensil set, 8 cooking utensils, colorful titanium plated kitchen tool gadgets, cake shovels. Boy, I got a cake shovel right here. This is the cake shovel. That's what I use to shovel the cake. $51.99, and then we have a 50% promo code and a 5% coupon. So just north of $25 for all of those. We count it. It's going to be a kitchen deal. Look, the cold beer is in the kitchen, so it counts. Get the metal bar sign, vintage metal shop light up sign, wall decoration. Again, a bunch of different signs. Most of the signs were actually coffee related. There was only 2 that were beer related and like 8 that were coffee, so maybe you prefer a coffee sign. $29.99, and then a 51% promo code, so under $15. And this is like a battery operated thing. These actually light up, so that's kind of cool. They need to bring back the little bubble lights. Remember those? The heat from the light bulb would actually make them bubble. They had some cool beer ones back in the day that bubbled like that. Got the Bell Wares revolving spice rack organizer, spinning countertop herb and spice organizer, 12 glass jar bottles. and labels. Spices not included. Lots of reviews on that too. 8,600. Jeez. Now this starts out at $29, but we have a 25% promo code. We have a 20% coupon, so you're almost cutting that in half. Again, under $15. You get all the glass jars with your little Lazy Susan style revolving spice rack. Do they still call it a Lazy Susan? Was Susan really that lazy? I wonder how it got the name. We should Google that. Origins of Lazy Susan. Flip tight, large acrylic food storage container. 3-piece baking set, 5-inch airtight seal lid, easy lock square. So these start out $29.99, 40% promo code, so $17 or so. And again, there was many variations of this. So there's 1,000,001 different companies that are making these style containers or something extremely similar. And over the last couple of years, I've had different companies send me free ones of these. And the ones I like, first off, are when the lids are all the same size. So they are interchangeable. If you lose one, break one, whatever, it's just easier when they are all interchangeable. And I believe all the variations of this fit that mold. Now this one specifically, all the containers you can see are the same size as well. Now what I have had is the top handle break on one of them. I don't know why, but it wasn't pretty. I actually 3D printed me a new handle so it doesn't fold over and get tight, because when this handle folds down, it actually pulls up the bottom portion, which has a silicone band, and it gives it a squeeze, you know, and it makes it fatter so that it seals. And my 3D printed part doesn't do that, but it allows for a handle and opening and closing the lid. Just beware that it may break, and it might have been my fault. I break things. Things get broke around here. We got some groovy popsicle molds. This is a set of 6 mess-free and reusable ice pops with sticks for homemade freezer snacks. Freezer snacks. You know, the main reason I posted this is growing up, we had a set of these. It was 6. I want to say it was Mickey Mouse. Don't remember at all. I think we might have froze Kool-Aid. Anyways, I was feeling nostalgic about it, so I thought, you know what, we got to post these things. $14, 15% promo code, 5% coupon. It's only 20% off. It's not the biggest discount in the world, but it made me smile seeing them, so there we go. 5-speed electric hand mixer with snap-on storage case. We got Whisk Beaters, beating all the whisks. $21.99, 40% promo code. That also came in white, I do believe, but you're only going to be like, what, $12, $13, something like that? Couldn't beat an egg with that. Wooden spoons for cooking or beating your children. 4,300 reviews there, $11.99, but a 50% promo code, so it's only going to be $5.99. Look at all the beating you could do for just $5.99, and they even have speed holes in them. Look at that. And this will be the last deal, I do believe. The Ninja Foodie Never Stick Stainless 12-inch frying pan. Just a sale price, no promo code or coupon, $69 down to $31.99. So there's your amazing kitchen deals. Depending on how this goes and how you guys like it, this may be something I can update somewhat regularly. I'm not going to update it every day like these pages right here. These get updated every single day. And really the kitchen stuff mostly goes into the home improvement category anyway. But we can do this individual thing if you guys find it titillating. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. We'll see you guys next time.